Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. I think you've realized that already. If you're long pressing the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that, we will need next to the power button also the volume down button. If you long press now these both buttons together, then you will have here finally the power off menu. So just tap on power off and confirm on power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will find here on the top the symbol to power off the phone. So just tap on it, and then you will have the same thing, the power menu, as I've shown you before. And you can also set up the side button here, so the power button, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. Okay, for that, just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here we will need the point Side Key. And you can decide what should happen if you press and hold this side key. Actually, we will wake up Bixby with, but we want to have now the power off menu. Okay, and that means whenever you long press now the power button, so the side button, you will have here the power off menu directly. So just tap on power off, confirm on power off, and the phone, as I said, will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.